The NorCal MLS Alliance is an unprecedented collaboration of 7 Northern California multiple listing services with one goal: to deliver the greatest access to MLS data for real estate professionals in and near the areas they do business. The NorCal MLS Alliance will bring expanded MLS data to over 55,000 real estate professionals who serve more than 11.5 million people across 22 counties or more than 20,000 square miles. Leveraging the latest technology, the NorCal MLS Alliance will deliver seamless access from your home MLS login to real estate data stretching from parts of the Central Coast and Bay Area to the Northern California Central Valley and the crest of the Sierra Mountains. Improved listing data standardization and increased cooperation and offer of compensation, as joining one MLS will open up data from 7 MLSs. Importantly, each MLS participating in the NorCal MLS Alliance retains its own control and governance, ensuring local MLS and business rules are maintained, and local experts with knowledge of unique marketplace conditions and practices will stay in place. The NorCal MLS Alliance is excited to announce the new Northern California MLS data integration will launch in mid-January 2021. Get ready for a whole new level of local data from your MLS provider. For more information about the NorCal MLS Alliance, visit norcalmlsalliance.com.